Are you still stuck in the daily grind of battling early morning rush hour traffic, squeezing into a packed office, and dealing with a demanding boss? Do you have a valuable skill, but aren't sure how to monetize it and break free from the 9-to-5 routine? If this is you, then you're in the right place. The COVID-19 pandemic flipped the script on the traditional work model, and for many, working from the comfort of their home, or anywhere with Wi-Fi, became the new reality. This global shift opened a lot of eyes as people discovered the freedom and flexibility of remote work. No more fighting traffic, no more rigid schedules, just the ability to work at your own pace, in your own zone. And if you are a skilled professional, ready to ditch the office grind, or maybe you're a budding freelancer eager to launch your remote career, here's the good news. The world of remote work is booming, and there are many websites dedicated to connecting you with amazing job opportunities or clients from around the world. And in this eye-opening video, we'll be revealing the top 5 best remote work websites for freelancers. So join us as we show you the best platforms to land your dream remote work and kickstart a profitable freelancing career. The website holding the number 1 spot on our list is a personal favorite of mine, where I work as a full-time freelancer. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5, Freelancer. Have you ever heard of Freelancer? It's an Australian digital marketplace where clients from around the world post gigs and freelancers or independent skilled professionals swoop in to bid on them. This company started back in Sydney in 2009. However, they've since spread their wings to Vancouver, London, Buenos Aires, Manila, and Jakarta. Freelancer is a goldmine for all sorts of talents. Whether you're a designer, coder, writer, architect, marketer, or a number cruncher, aka accountant. With this freelance website, you can snag projects, do your thing, and boom, dollars in your pocket once it's done. Freelancer is particularly beneficial for people with different skill sets who thrive in a competitive environment. Number 4, Fiverr. Fiverr is a multinational Israeli online marketplace where freelancers or sellers connect with individuals, businesses, or buyers looking to hire. Back in 2010, when it started in Tel Aviv, everything was priced at just $5, hence the name. But now, many sellers on the platform charge way more than that. Fiverr is all about specific services bundled into neat packages. It's super popular among many freelancers, but also crazy competitive. Some freelancers practically give away their work for peanuts, maybe because of that $5 legacy. So, if you're eyeing Fiverr for gigs, get ready for some tough competition. It's one of the most saturated freelance marketplaces out there. Number 3, Toptal. Unlike Fiverr, if you're an experienced professional seeking top-dollar gigs, Toptal is your golden ticket. It's like the VIP lounge of freelancing platforms reserved for the absolute best in the business. Whether you're a coding genius, a design guru, or a finance wizard, Toptal's tough screening process could land you gigs with big-name clients and amazing projects. From startups to big corporations, Toptal keys into a global pool of top talent, spanning software engineers, designers, finance gurus, product pros, and project managers. Unlike many freelance platforms, Toptal doesn't mess around with its screening process. They're picky, but for good reasons. They only accept freelancers with solid experience, great communication skills, and the ability to get up to speed on projects quickly. But once you're accepted, the world's your oyster. You can begin working with some of the biggest companies on the planet and make your freelancing dreams come true. Number 2, LinkedIn. LinkedIn might seem like just another social media platform for the corporate crowd, but don't sleep on its potential for freelancers. Trust me, I've seen it firsthand. Along with many of my colleagues, we've scored some seriously lucrative gigs through LinkedIn. It's a goldmine when it comes to launching a successful freelancing career. All it takes is creating a professional profile that showcases your skills, connecting with potential clients and companies, joining industry groups. Before you know it, you could be landing some exciting remote work opportunities that'll have you living the free life that comes with being a freelancer. And the number 1 spot for the best website to work remotely is none other than Upwork. When it comes to remote work, Upwork reigns supreme as the heavyweight champion of the freelance world. It's the number 1 freelance marketplace globally, where you can find gigs in just about every category imaginable. Whether you're into writing, marketing, web development, cybersecurity, virtual assistants, architecture, project management, HR, or design, they've got it all. Headquartered in the sunny cities of Santa Clara and San Francisco, California, Upwork Global Inc., formerly known as a Lanso Desk, is the place to be for freelancers looking to score big-name clients and global opportunities. It's not just me saying it. Upwork made it onto Time's list of Time 100 most influential companies of 2022, and with over $400 million in revenue, it's no wonder why. And the best part is that you can start your freelancing journey for free on the platform. Just create and optimize your Upwork account, start bidding on jobs that match your skills, and voila, you're in business. And as a top-rated freelancer on Upwork myself, I can tell you for free that Upwork remains the best place to start a profitable remote or freelancing career. So if you're looking to create an Upwork account and get verified fast, you can check out the videos showing on your screen right now to get started. And remember, always make the most of technology positively.